In this video, we are going to look at how an action plan can really help schools turn their vision into a reality and increase the efficiency and accountability of everyone involved. We have looked at the first two steps in the strategic planning process. We have determined the school's position, and keeping that in mind, a strategy has been developed. You have prioritized your school's needs and set long-term goals and short-term objectives. Now you need to work on building a plan to help you achieve those goals. So what is an action plan? It is a clear roadmap on how your school will achieve these goals. It describes and assigns the individual steps in this process. Let's take a look at 6 elements of an effective action plan. Firstly, you need to decide what tasks need to be done. Break down a priority into a series of tasks that needs to be completed in order to achieve the goal. Next, you need to know when will it be done? When will it be completed? It's important to have clear time frames for each activity or task. Now, just remember to be realistic, as delays are sometimes unavoidable. It is also very important that everyone knows who is responsible for doing the task. There must be a person responsible for each task or activity, and this will ensure accountability and responsibility. Next, you need to look at what resources are needed in order for the task to be completed. And this includes financial and other resources, and maybe a signal to the finance committee in terms of any funding that is required. Next, you need to decide on what your performance or success indicators will be. This will indicate what will be in place when the task or activity is completed. And lastly, you need to decide who will monitor the progress of each activity or task, and this will ensure success and establish accountability. So when you're building a plan, we know that you have a framework of all the tasks that need to be completed. You need to decide on your performance measures. How do you know when you have succeeded or not? You need to make sure that there are specific and clear roles and responsibilities. And lastly, you need to decide on and communicate different departmental and team goals. I'm going to end this video with a quote from Alan Laken: "Failing to plan is planning to fail."